AutoTrendz, welcome to Start, and today we're stepping into a world where brute force meets bespoke luxury, where speed is wrapped in craftsmanship, and where individuality is engineered at the highest level. This is the Audi Exclusive RS7 Performance, a machine that doesn't just dominate the road, it defines what a modern high-performance luxury sportback should feel like. From the very first glance, this car announces that it's not here to blend in. It's here to make a statement, and every detail whispers power while shouting exclusivity. The design of the Audi Exclusive RS7 Performance is already aggressive by nature, but Audi Exclusive takes it to another dimension. The wide stance, the muscular shoulders, and that unmistakable fastback silhouette give it a presence that's both elegant and intimidating. With Audi Exclusive paint options, this RS7 can be finished in rare, deep hues or custom shades that shift character under different light. Matte finishes, pearlescent tones, and bespoke color combinations make each car feel like a one-of-one creation. The blacked-out honeycomb grille, massive air intakes, and RS-specific styling cues create a front end that looks like it's ready to inhale the road ahead. Step to the side and the proportions truly shine. The flared wheel arches house massive alloy wheels, often finished in unique Audi Exclusive colors or satin tones, framing high-performance ceramic brakes that hint at the monster within. Carbon fiber accents are tastefully integrated, not to show off, but to reinforce the RS7 Performance's motorsport DNA. At the rear, the sweeping roofline flows effortlessly into a subtle spoiler, while the oval RS exhaust tips and aggressive diffuser confirm that this is no ordinary luxury sedan. It's a supercar disguised as a practical sportback. Inside, the Audi Exclusive RS7 Performance becomes a personal sanctuary of speed and sophistication. This is where Audi Exclusive truly earns its name. The cabin can be tailored to reflect the owner's personality, with custom leather colors, contrast stitching, Alcantara headliners, and unique trim options ranging from carbon twill to open-pore wood or brushed aluminum. The RS Sport seats hug you tightly, offering both long-distance comfort and track-ready support. Every surface feels deliberate, crafted, and premium, reminding you that performance doesn't have to sacrifice luxury. The digital cockpit places you at the center of the experience. Audi's Virtual Cockpit RS display delivers performance data, navigation, and driving information in a way that feels immersive and futuristic. The flat-bottom RS steering wheel, wrapped in fine leather or Alcantara, feels perfectly weighted in your hands, while the metal paddle shifters offer a tactile connection to the drivetrain. Ambient lighting subtly highlights the cabin's contours, creating an atmosphere that can be calm and refined or bold and dramatic, depending on your mood. But the true soul of the Audi Exclusive RS7 Performance lives beneath the hood. At its heart lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that delivers an earth-shaking level of performance. With the performance upgrade, power climbs to exhilarating levels, pushing out well over 600 horsepower and immense torque that's available almost instantly. Press the accelerator and the response is brutal yet controlled. The RS7 Performance launches with authority, catapulting from zero to highway speeds in a matter of seconds, making time feel almost irrelevant. Quattro all-wheel drive ensures that all this power is translated into grip and confidence. Whether you're carving through mountain roads, cruising on the highway, or launching hard from a standstill, the RS7 Performance feels planted and composed. The adaptive air suspension and RS-specific tuning allow the car to switch personalities effortlessly. In comfort mode, it glides smoothly, isolating you from rough surfaces. Switch to dynamic or RS mode, and the suspension tightens, the steering sharpens, and the exhaust note deepens into a thunderous roar that sends chills down your spine. The exhaust sound deserves special attention. In the Audi Exclusive RS7 Performance, it's not just noise, it's an experience. At low speeds, it maintains a refined growl, but once you open it up, the V8 sings with a raw, aggressive tone that reminds you why internal combustion still holds such emotional power. Crackles on downshifts, a deep rumble under acceleration, and a commanding presence at full throttle make every drive feel special, even if you're just heading out for groceries. Despite all this performance, the RS7 Performance remains remarkably usable. This is where it truly separates itself from traditional supercars. With 4 doors, a spacious rear seat, and a large cargo area thanks to the sportback design, it fits seamlessly into daily life. You can enjoy supercar-level acceleration on a back road, then comfortably carry passengers or luggage without compromise. It's a car that adapts to you, not the other way around. Safety and technology are also at the forefront. Advanced driver assistance systems provide confidence during long journeys, while high-quality materials and solid construction give a reassuring sense of security. Everything feels tight, precise, and built to last, reinforcing Audi's reputation for engineering excellence. The RS7 Performance isn't just about speed, it's about balance, control, and refinement at every level. What truly makes the Audi Exclusive RS7 Performance special is the emotional connection it creates. This isn't a car you simply drive, it's a car you experience. Every startup, every acceleration, every glance back after parking reminds you that you're in something extraordinary. It blends luxury, aggression, technology, and individuality into a single package that few cars on the planet can match. In a world where performance cars are becoming increasingly digital and restrained, the Audi Exclusive RS7 Performance stands as a bold reminder that passion still matters. It's fast without being reckless, luxurious without being soft, and exclusive without being ostentatious. For those who want a car that can dominate the road, turn heads effortlessly, and still feel deeply personal, this RS7 Performance isn't just an option, it's the ultimate expression of power and prestige.